Asignatura Inglés Básico en Nutrición. Matrícula ES 16-252-69. Docente Alejandro Ariel García Arriaga. Alumna Maricruz Hernández Vergara. Evidencia de aprendizaje. Actividad 1, momento 1.
Se ve rápido. Mamacita, bueno. Mamacita, bueno.
1. According to the article mention 10 advantages of e-learning. There is an argument that traditional learning is the best way in maintaining a learning process. Other models are always considered to be inferior or less efficient. There is no finding to support this argument, and research shows that learning models are at least as good as traditional learning. Advances of e-learning. Water improved communication, architect knowledge share among students, be able to study at the time and time that are possible with restriction, commitment of the part on the students, a head approach to the world of technology, interact with colleagues from different places as well as custom interaction with teachers at any time and where there is no need to move to a school. You can study from home or work. Regarding the following, you should mention the different between traditional learning and e-learning. Classroom discussion. Traditional learning, students can hold a debate together with the teacher as they are present. E-learning discussion are held but not all students may be present as the number of students may vary. Learn process. Traditional learning is conducted with the whole class participants. There is almost e-learning. Most of the learning process takes place in groups or with the individual students. Subject matter. Traditional learning, the teacher conduction lesson according to the study program and the existing curriculum. E-learning, the student is responsible for defining the course of the information as it is responsible for searching electronic media. Employees in the learning process. Traditional learning, student learning what is already specified in the teacher planning so you can get away from it. E-learning, the student can collect a lot of information so as to improve the understanding of the subject. Motivation. Traditional learning, the student motivation is low and the subject matter is distant from them. E-learning, the student motivation is higher through the involvement in math. They are close to them and to the use of technology. Teacher role, traditional learning. The teacher is the authority. E-learning, the teacher will and direct the students to new information. Location of learning. Traditional learning, the learning takes place with the classroom and the school. E-learning, learning can take place at homework. Lesson structure. Traditional learning, the teacher dictates the structure of the lesson and the division of time. E-learning, the structure of the lesson is affected by the group to which no all participate the same day and in the same house.